Unraveling problems. Solve step by step. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that you might encounter in many areas of life and study. Solve step by step. Understanding this phrase not only helps in academic contexts but also in everyday problem solving. So, let's break it down together and see how it can be applied to enhance your English learning journey and beyond. Solve step by step is a phrase that emphasizes a methodical approach to solving problems or answering questions. It means breaking down a larger problem into smaller, more manageable parts and addressing each part one at a time. This approach is crucial for complex problems in math, science, language learning, and even in everyday life challenges. Taking things step by step is important because it allows you to focus on one aspect of a problem at a time, making complex tasks less overwhelming. It encourages systematic thinking and helps in identifying mistakes or areas that need more attention. For English language learners, this could mean breaking down sentence structures, tackling vocabulary, or understanding grammar rules one piece at a time. Let's apply the solve step-by-step approach to English learning. For instance, when trying to understand a complicated text, you might 1. Break down the text into paragraphs or sentences. 2. Look up unfamiliar words and note their meanings. 3. Summarize each paragraph to grasp the main idea. 4. Ask questions about parts you don't understand. 5. Seek feedback on your understanding. This methodical approach simplifies the learning process, making it easier to absorb and retain information. This phrase can also guide us in our daily lives. Whether it's planning an event, learning a new skill, or solving a personal problem, breaking it down into steps can provide clarity and direction. For example, if you're planning a trip, start by researching destinations, then move on to booking flights, and so on. Each step builds on the previous one, leading to a comprehensive solution. We hope this exploration of the phrase, solve step by step, has illuminated its value not just in language learning, but as a universal problem-solving tool. By adopting this approach, you can tackle even the most daunting challenges with confidence and clarity. Remember, every big task becomes manageable when you take it one step at a time. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to assisting you on your learning journey. Keep solving, step by step.